Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house on wheel you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 10 feet, in meter 3 meter, and the length is 20 feet, in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living room. The size of the living room is 9 feet 4 inches into 12 feet, in meter 2.84 into 3.65 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also a TV unit on the front wall. And we have a bed for a single person and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. After that we will go inside. So on the left side we have kitchen room. The size of the kitchen is 5 feet into 7 feet, in meter 1.52 into 2.13 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, the burner, sink, and also refrigerator arrangement, and 2 windows for ventilation and light purpose of this kitchen. After that we will go on right side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet, in meter 1.21 into 2.13 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area. Shower area and water closet both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.